Third, the seven rows that we get on top. Four, everything is made with the limestone. And finally, every time that I clap from here, the dispersion of my clap through the step then on top, we can adjust the sounds of the bird. In the free time, what you need to do, you need to stand up in the center of the staircase, you clap as hard as you can. And you can enjoy the sounds of the bird. If you walk for about 300 yards and then you clap, you can still enjoy the sounds of the bird. But I forget to let you know something else. For you to enjoy better the sounds of the bird, I'm sorry so much, but you need to be a Mayan descendant. For sure. Mayan blood not possible to enjoy that. Of course, the first time you can get back to do this. We can enjoy this in the west facade and in the north facade.